She said, "You mean this is not my fault?" So I went from the lecture on brain SPECT imaging given by the head of the hospital where I worked into Sandy's room. Just met her. She tried to kill herself the night before. And as I was talking to her, I'm thinking she has adult ADD. Impulsive suicide attempt after a fight with her husband that she caused. IQ of 144, but never finished college. But when I broached the subject with her, she's like, "Oh, adults can't have ADD." I said, "Well, why don't we look at your brain?" And she had a healthy brain at rest. And when she tried to concentrate, her frontal lobes and her cerebellum, which we'll talk about, dropped. The harder she tries, the worse it gets. And when I showed her the scans and explained them to her, she starts to cry. And she said, "You mean this is not my fault?" And I'm like, people who have ADD, it's sort of like people who need glasses. They're not dumb, crazy, or stupid. You could see with the image that her shame melted away and her compliance went up. And she took the medicine. Her relationships were better. She was underemployed, as many ADD people are. Finished college, got a better job, and was in touch with her for about 10 years.